To talk about vibe coding in general for beginners, right? Vibe coding is literally how you do coding in the same way that you ask ChatGPT to write a passage for you.
So vibe coding is an emerging software development practice that uses AI to generate functional code from natural language prompts, accelerating development and making apps building more accessible.
And the second thing is about the entry barrier of the industry. So this is something you won't show it on your pitch, but the questions will be asked around it. For example, VCs maybe will ask, like, what stops a fast follower?
Trying to make sure that you can generate code using AI and deploy it, and not like get stuck in the deployment couple, because that's where most smart contracts get stuck.
Samuel, yes, and he has a PowerPoint of sharing to us and preserve. You have a better understanding of like this.
My name is Samuel. I am from Ghana. How many of you are here about Ghana?
When you go to Ghana on like the Volta region parts where I come from, you see a lot of mountains and it's so beautiful. So when you come to Ghana, you can try the mountains. This is the mountain I was walking to, so I was actually jogging to the mountain.
This is actual picture of our home. So we do a lot of farming, yeah. And what we farm mostly is maize and potatoes, yeah.
I host podcasts, I write articles, and I do research in the blockchain and Web3 space.
When I just enter in this area, I still have doubt. Even now, I still have doubt. But my assumption is, what if this is right? I just fundamentally feel crypto or blockchain might be the area where science and social science can combine together, and that's very sexy. Like, I think the traditional finance system was being built by people who benefited from it.
Yeah, if you're gonna go to market, you should always have some goals. And yeah, I made this based off like Pump.Fun, because I don't know if you're following the meta, but they just released the streaming and creator coins. So I try to make it relevant to today, not just vague, and yeah. But we could also try to, put in the perspective of your own business. So what do you think their goals are? Of course, they want to increase the users, but they have multiple goals. They really want to attract streamers because the streamers will attract users.
First, answer question from this gentleman, and how we can use the hash to convert the multiple round interactive proof into a fancy one round protocol. Okay, so it does like this. For example, proof verifier. So in the first round, the proof will commit something, kind of put something into a box and locked up, and then send the box to the verifier.
You start with two different, or categorically could be a product-driven, a tech-driven product. It's more technical, but it's more like you can also become more like a go-to-market play. It's not like tech or very low tech. Then the matters is you have sector experience, either or. And usually people who are like technical has unfair advantage. That's the case for Stanford, just because you're smart. You can be only one person. You're like 20 years old. And you can explain ZK, for instance, and then you can raise money.
That's a quick question. What exactly are real-world assets? I hope that if someone can give me some example, yeah, maybe for the microphone problems, and you need to go ahead and talk to me directly, and you can give me some small example you have heard about. You had know that how the reward assets and go on chain, which type of asset can go on chain.
That we work for. This is a part of SID, and we work very closely with NVIDIA to solve the industrial problem for Singapore.
So you can see once of RWA liquidity, yeah.
So yeah, here's a few of the tasks that are available right now. So you'll see like 8,000 Bitcoin by writing about.
And I think the good thing compared to Europe or US is that here we can make something that we all like and basically create something new for all of us, right?
Like even when Ethereum was started, you know, there were things like BitShares. Actually, BitShares at the time was basically an app chain framework, right? Like in our modern language, that probably is what you would call it.
ShanHaiWoo has been awesome. It's been an incredible month of building, iterating through our projects, getting feedback from the fellow resident members. I've made good friends, we've made incredible growth with our product, and I have gotten to interact with a network that I would not have access to back in Kenya.
My experience here in ShanHaiWoo for the past 1 month has been so great. I mean, like, I got to network, learn a lot of things, also travel to a lot of places like the NVIDIA labs, and yeah, it was a great experience, and also connecting with other builders who are like-minded.
Yeah, it was nurturing, even when you don't do good, and it was like a safe space for me to even fail and then get it right, fail better, fail forward, and that has been like, yeah, really calming for me. With the open eyes and be really, really open to learn learning from different people, different sources, and from people who come from different backgrounds and experiences.
Please come. Come. It's incredible. Come join the community. You'll always have help here, and you'll always have friends.
Okay, bye guys. It was really good.